One of the easiest DIYs you can do. So I've seen these type risers in other places. These are so cute. These are tiles you get from Dollar Tree for $1.25. You can hang these up. You can make like a cute little wall decor piece or something like that. But I've seen the risers for so much money. So we're gonna make it for $1.25. Everything you need is right here with just the one piece, and then you can save your tassels and stuff like that, and you can use those for later. But I'm just gonna take cut off the beads and the tassels. I was trying to lift it up, but it was that staple is in here nice and good. But I'm just going to take and glue the beads that it comes with. So it comes with 4 beads on each one. So each one has enough to make the little legs for it. But you can use a different type leg if you want. But to keep it at $1.25 so that we don't have to spend anything extra for this, we're just going to use it as is. You can also paint these to match the top. So you can paint white, you can paint black. They also come in different shapes too. They come in circles and stuff, but we're just going to do the square ones because that's the type of risers that I did see. And then that is it. It's so easy, so simple, and the contrast is real nice, and it has that neutral look to it too. So make sure you give it a like.